Hi, it's meteorologist Kristin Emery in the KDKA Weather Center on this Saturday night. Hope you're having a nice weekend so far. It's been cloudy today, but rather quiet, and we're looking at temperatures that are fairly average for this time of year, at least today. Our high was 40 in Pittsburgh. Normal high is almost in the mid 40s this time of year, but it will get cold to start the work week, and before then, we have some snow on the way. So here's a look at our latest map showing our warnings. The winter weather advisory for the purple shaded counties, that's those of you along and north and south of I-80 there, all the way down to Beaver, Butler County. And then the pink shaded counties, Pittsburgh, Allegheny County, Washington County, Uniontown, Fayette County, Westmoreland County, Greensburg, Connellsville, all of you, Waynesburg, are in that winter storm warning, all the way down to Morgantown, into Monongalia County, and over into Garrett County, Maryland. We're looking at a winter storm warning there just because roadways will be snow covered. Travel will be slippery tomorrow afternoon. So here's the timing of the winter storm. Tonight, nothing. Tomorrow, early, nothing. In fact, it'll be almost noon before we really start to see widespread snow. Showers begin 10 to noon. Steady as snow between 3 and 9 p.m. And then by 10 p.m. to midnight, it all starts to end and wind down from west to east. So here's our futurecast models showing the predicted snow totals. They've inched downward over the past few days because the track of the storm, if it stays a little farther to the south, we get less. If it jogs just to the north, we may get an inch or two more. But right now, by tomorrow evening, around 2 to 3 inches around much of the Pittsburgh metro area, a little less to the north, and then on through the evening. By the time this ends on late Sunday night in through early Monday morning, with the last few showers in the Laurel Highlands, there you see generally 2 to 4 around the Pittsburgh area, 1 to 3 to the north, and then we could see a little more snow total in the higher range, say around 5 inches or so in some of the higher elevations. We're talking Garrett, Preston, Tucker counties of West Virginia, toward the ski areas, Seven Springs, down towards Snowshoe, Canaan Valley. Possibly those would be isolated higher amounts, generally thinking more 3 to 5. We could see some of those on the higher end, but that's in the highest elevation. So here's our updated map. We'll call it 2 to 5, generally thinking 2 to 4, but we can't rule out a couple of folks maybe getting over that up toward the 5-inch range. And then if you're north, only 1 to 3. Little farther to the east, if you're traveling on the turnpike, into central Pennsylvania, it'll be more like the 5 to 7 inch range. And they actually have some warnings out for the Baltimore and Harrisburg areas now as well. So there is your latest forecast thinking and the models, including Futurecast. We will have the latest for you coming up tonight on Pittsburgh CW and KDKA, coming up at 10 and 11 o'clock. Have a great Saturday night.